stand face to face with the younger me. All of the mistakes, all of the heartbreak, here's what I do differently. I'd live like I'm not scared, give when it's not fair, live life through another, take time for a brother, fight for the weak ones, speak out for freedom, find faith in the battle, stand tall but above it all, fix my eyes on you, on you. I learned the lines and talked the talk. Everybody knows it, everybody knows it. But the road less traveled is hard to walk. Everybody knows it, everybody knows. It takes a soldier who knows his orders to walk the walk I'm supposed to walk. And live like I'm not scared, give when it's not fair, live life for another, take time for a brother, fight for the weak ones, speak out for freedom, find faith in the battle, stand tall but above it all, fix my eyes on you, on you. The things of earth are dimming in the light of your glory and grace. I'll set my sights upon heaven, I'm fixing my eyes on you. Oh yeah. I'm fixing my eyes on you. Oh yeah. I'm fixing my eyes. Love like I'm not scared, give when it's not fair, live life for another, take time for a brother, fight for the weak ones, speak out for freedom, find faith in the battle, stand tall but above it all, fix my eyes on you, on you. I'll fix my eyes on you, on you. I'll fix my eyes on you, on you.
Hey guys, my name is Drake, and I have a confession to make. You know, I may be kind of old, but I still love to play with bubbles. And they're just so much fun, they float everywhere, and they're cool to look at. But you know, these bubbles, they kind of remind me of a problem I used to have. You see, when I was a lot younger, I used to be afraid of everything. I didn't know what to do, I was always afraid, I lived my life in fear. And so, you know, I tried a few things to fix this problem because I really didn't like it. I didn't like living in fear. So first, I decided that, you know, if I was busy all the time and I was with my friends and hanging out, then that could fix my problem because I just wouldn't think about it, right? But guys, I was busy all the time and I was still living my life in fear. And so then I told myself that if I worked on myself and I worked hard and faced my fears, then guys, that would take my fear away. But even though I did work on myself and I faced my fears, I was still afraid all the time and I didn't know what to do. So one day I talked to Jesus and I asked him to rescue me. And he did. And he rescued me and he came into my heart. And guys, God lives inside me now. And every time that I'm afraid, because sometimes I still do get afraid, I ask Jesus to help me. And he's with me. God is with me. He lives in my heart. And he can take away my fear. And I know that I'm safe because he's with me. And he can do the same thing for you. All you have to do is ask. Ask him into your heart and he'll be there. So guys, please ask Jesus into your heart. Thank you so much.